Next, we have the student of Benjamin Graham and partner of Charlie Munger, the one and only Warren Buffett, established as the greatest investor in the history of humanity, with Berkshire Hathaway, his company, holding some of the greatest companies within its ecosystem and continue growth and returns to their investors. After meeting Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett never looked at stocks as short-term trading vehicles to benefit off. He looked at his stock investments as actual stakes in real businesses, with predictable cash flow and simple, understandable models, which are businesses with untouchable competitive advantages that will allow you to invest in them with long-term time horizons. He made it his duty to analyze economic moats of the businesses he's investing in. He never invested in a business as there was no margin of safety, which is the price below the intrinsic value. So there's some cushion even when you invest in a great company to know that the price can go up much further than even the intrinsic value calculates at, while seeking true value of a business. And then what do you learn from Charlie Munger, which was the focus on concentrating into great companies. Before he met Charlie Munger, he was following through with Benjamin Graham's strategy of buying companies that were cheap and were going out of business. But Charlie Munger completely changed that for him and allowed him to analyze companies based on long-term holdings like Apple, Coca-Cola, See's Candies. He's held on to these companies for generations and he plans on never selling them. And now that he isn't the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, he's one of the chairmen, he's made sure that the people that are under him were fully ready to take over Berkshire Hathaway with the mentality of studying businesses as much as they can and remaining patient to deploy capital. He's built the biggest company with the biggest cash fortress in the history. So they're always ready to deploy cash when they need to based on the environments, and at the same time keeping their investors secure as possible with such immense cash holdings.